Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of shopping and help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two steam mops head-to-head in a battle of cleanliness and convenience. On my left, we have the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop, and on my right, the Neugo Steam Mop. Let's see which mop can truly make your floors shine and your life easier. Let's kick things off with price. The BISSELL SpinWave comes in at $159, while the Neugo Steam Mop is a more budget-friendly option at $119. Reviewers of the Neugo appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, often mentioning that it's a great value for the price. On the other hand, those who purchase the BISSELL recognize that while it's more expensive, its performance justifies the additional cost, especially for those with larger areas to clean. Now, let's dive into steam power. The Neugo reaches an impressive 230 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for cutting through tough grime. Reviewers have praised it for its quick heating and effective cleaning. In contrast, the BISSELL offers intelligent steam control for different floor types, which some users have found incredibly helpful for their specific cleaning needs. However, the higher steam temperature of the Neugo may be seen as excessive by some users, who prefer the BISSELL's adjustable settings. When it comes to features, the BISSELL boasts an intelligent LED display that keeps you informed about steam levels and water status. Customers have highlighted this as a significant benefit, making it user-friendly and efficient. The Neugo, however, comes with multiple attachments that users find handy for various cleaning tasks. While some users love the versatility, others feel overwhelmed by the number of accessories, which can be a bit much for a simple steam mop. Next up is ease of use. The BISSELL features a removable water tank, allowing for quick refills, which users have found to be a major plus. Many reviews mention how easy it is to handle and operate. The Neugo, with its adjustable height, makes it comfortable for users of all sizes, though some reviews mention difficulties in disassembling parts for cleaning. Overall, both mops have their strengths in this category, but the BISSELL edges out slightly due to its straightforward design. Finally, let's discuss cleaning power. The BISSELL's washable microfiber pads are highlighted in reviews for being effective in removing tough stains, especially for older flooring. Users have reported excellent results. Meanwhile, the Neugo steam is appreciated for quick drying, making it ideal for busy households. Reviewers love how it sanitizes and freshens up not just floors, but carpets as well, but some have noted it may not handle embedded dirt as well as the BISSELL. Overall, both the BISSELL SpinWave and the Neugo Steam Mop have their loyal fans. The BISSELL is often praised for its effectiveness and user-friendly features, while the Neugo is celebrated for its affordability and versatility. So which mop comes out on top? If you want a high-tech cleaning assistant and don't mind spending a little extra, the BISSELL SpinWave might just be your best friend. But if you're looking for versatility and a lower price, the Neugo Steam Mop has got you covered. Remember, folks, whether you're Team BISSELL or Team Neugo, the most important thing is to keep your floors clean and your life stress-free. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.